شكرا جزيلا.
You are using this phone, please.
Abdul Ahad Jan enjoying his newfound fame in the valley. The suspended policeman who threw a shoe that barely missed the Jammu and Kashmir chiefs on Independence Day was welcome in his hometown Bandipur. People celebrated his return with shoes in their hands. This was Jan a day ago, apologetic, almost pleading for mercy. He even told the Chief Minister he wanted to target the DGP, not him. But today, flanked by hundreds of supporters, Jan was defiant and appeared proud of his act. Jan denied that a political group facilitated his entry into the VIP gallery of the highly secured Bakshi Stadium in Srinagar. He said he went on his own to protest against the present situation and no one stopped him.
अल्लाह ताला ने मुझे हिम्मत दिया जाने का, मुझे कोई कार्ड नहीं देखा किसी ने, मैं गैलरी में पूछ गया.
As the crowd shouted Azadi slogans and carried Ahad Jan in a procession to his home, the shoe thrower's act again became an act of defense and defiance. Whether it is the circumstances or ideology that has made Jan the shoe thrower a hero, a villain, or something in between. In Srinagar with cameraman Sheikh Tariq, Nazir Masoodi for NDTV.